Today's title is Genealogy of Jesus. Jesus' genealogy appears in Matthew 1 to 16 and in Luke 3, 23 to 38. The two will be the same, but still, I ask, are the two different or the same? Here I take a quiz. Please choose one of the following, one or two. Quiz 1. The Gospels of Matthew and Luke are the Synoptic Gospels. The Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke at the front of the New Testament are called the Synoptic Gospels because they have many similarities and are written from almost the same perspective. So, Matthew and Luke wrote the same or similar content, although there may be some omissions or mistakes. 2. The Gospels of Matthew and Luke are synoptic Gospels, but there are some differences between Matthew and Luke, although there may be omissions or mistakes in some parts and there are common parts. Matthew and Luke wrote partially different information. Let's think about the answer. In Matthew 1 to 16, it is written in chronological order from the past to the birth of Jesus, starting with the ancestor Abraham, then his son Isaac, then his son Jacob, and so on, and finally Jesus came. On the other hand, in Luke 3, 23 to 38, it is written, going back in reverse chronological order from the birth of Jesus to Heli, Joseph's father or grandfather. Then Matthew, then Jacob, then Isaac, and then Abraham. Matthew wrote in chronological order starting from Abraham to Jesus, but Luke wrote in reverse chronological order from Jesus to Abraham. Here, only the order is reversed. Ignoring the reverse order, though Matthew and Luke write the same content. Further, Luke continues to list his ancestors above Abraham, that is, Abraham, Terah, Nahor, Seth, Adam, God. This part was omitted by Matthew. If we ignore the omission, can we say that Matthew and Luke wrote to the same content? The important details are as follows. While Matthew writes in chronological order, David, Solomon, Rehoboam, Nathan, Jacob, Isaac's son Jacob, Joseph, Luke writes Joseph, Heli, Medad, Mina, Nathan, not Nathan the prophet, David, written in reverse chronological order. The former is a list of royal families starting with David Solomon, and the latter is a list of descendants of David's non-kingly descendant Nathan. So there are differences in the list. When we see Heli above Joseph in the latter list, Joseph is the son-in-law of Heli, Mary's father, or if there was an omission there, grandfather. In other words, the latter is the genealogical list of Mary who gave birth to Jesus, i.e., Mary is also descendant of King David. Jesus is God's son who was conceived by the Holy Spirit. He is a descendant of David on both the maternal and paternal lines. The fulfillment of the prophecy that the Messiah will come as a descendant of David can be seen on the paternal and maternal lines. Therefore, the answer to the above quiz is 2. Thank you.